Imagine a lush garden that thrives even during a drought, no hose required. What if your plants could flourish when water is scarce? It's not just a dream. The answer, rainwater harvesting. This simple practice lets you collect free water from the sky. It's easy, eco-friendly, and saves you money. Every drop you collect helps your garden and the planet. You don't need to be an expert, just a little enthusiasm. We'll show you how to set up a basic system. Rainwater harvesting is your secret weapon for a resilient garden. It's a fun DIY project anyone can do. Reduce your reliance on tap water and lower your bills. Ready to transform your garden into a drought-proof oasis? Let's dive in and make it happen. Your garden will thank you. Rainwater is a super drink for your plants, a natural elixir that can truly transform your garden. It's not just water, it's a cocktail of beneficial elements that plants crave. It's naturally soft, slightly acidic, and wonderfully free of harsh chemicals and additives. This natural composition allows plants to absorb nutrients more efficiently, leading to healthier growth. Tap water, on the other hand, often contains chlorine, added to disinfect, and a variety of minerals. While these are safe for human consumption, they can be less than ideal for your plants. Over time, these minerals can build up in the soil, altering its pH balance and potentially hindering the plant's ability to absorb essential nutrients. This buildup can lead to less vibrant growth and even soil degradation. Plants thrive on pure rainwater, showing a noticeable difference in their overall health and vitality. They respond to this natural source of hydration with increased vigor. You'll see them showing off healthier, greener leaves and producing a greater abundance of blooms. The colors will be more intense, and the foliage will be lusher. Collecting rainwater also significantly helps the environment, contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. It's a simple act with far-reaching positive consequences. By using rainwater, you're actively reducing runoff, which can carry pollutants into local waterways, and conserving precious municipal water supplies. This lessens the strain on our water resources. Every barrel you fill is a step towards protecting our waterways from pollution and contamination, ensuring a healthier ecosystem for all. Plus, it actively prevents soil erosion by reducing the impact of heavy rainfall on exposed soil surfaces, keeping your garden intact and thriving. Relying solely on tap water for your garden can quickly lead to expensive water bills, especially during the hot summer months when your plants need the most hydration. Rainwater is completely free, a gift from nature that you can harness to nourish your garden without impacting your wallet. This saves you money in the long run and makes your garden significantly more self-sufficient, reducing your reliance on external resources. By having a rainwater harvesting system in place, you'll be far less affected by water restrictions and the challenges posed by droughts, ensuring your garden remains healthy even during dry spells. Rainwater harvesting empowers you with greater control over your water supply and builds resilience into your gardening practices, making your garden more adaptable to changing environmental conditions. How does rainwater harvesting work? It might seem complex at first, but the underlying principles are surprisingly straightforward. We're essentially mimicking nature's own water cycle on a smaller, more manageable scale. It's easier than you think. With just a few simple components, you can start collecting rainwater and putting it to good use in your garden. Your roof acts as a giant collector, capturing every precious drop of rainfall. Think of it as a wide-mouthed funnel, ready to gather nature's bounty, channeling rain into gutters. These gutters are strategically placed to capture the runoff from your roof, directing it towards a central point. Gutters direct water into a storage container, the heart of your rainwater harvesting system. They act as the veins, carrying the lifeblood of your garden. Usually a rain barrel. This is where the collected rainwater is stored, ready for you to use whenever your plants need a drink. The basic system has three main parts, each playing a crucial role in the collection and storage process. Understanding these parts is key to setting up an effective system. The catchment area, roof, the surface that intercepts the rainfall and funnels it towards the gutters. The larger the roof, the more water you can potentially collect. Conveyance, gutters, downspouts, the network that transports the water from the roof to the storage container. Proper installation and maintenance are essential for efficient water flow. And storage, barrel. This is where the collected water is held until you're ready to use it, providing a readily available source of irrigation for your garden. A downspout diverter, a clever device that intercepts the water flowing through your downspout, channels water from your downspout into the barrel. This ensures that the rainwater is directed to where it needs to go, maximizing your collection efforts. When the barrel fills, it's important to have a mechanism to prevent overflow and potential damage. Excess water flows back down the downspout, safely diverting the excess water away from your foundation, preventing overflow. This simple feature protects your property and ensures the longevity of your rainwater harvesting system. No pumps or electricity needed, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective solution. Gravity does the work. This natural force effortlessly moves the water from the roof to the barrel and eventually to your plants. Elevate your barrel for better water flow. This increases the water pressure, making it easier to access the water when you need it. Use a spigot or hose to access the water, providing a convenient way to water your plants directly from the rain barrel. The system is simple, efficient, and requires minimal effort to maintain once it's set up, and perfect for any home gardener looking to conserve water and reduce their environmental impact. Most roofs and gutters can be adapted for this setup, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of homes. A basic diverter kit makes installation easy, even for those with limited DIY experience. The process is low maintenance and reliable, providing a consistent source of water for your garden. You'll be amazed how much water you can collect, even from seemingly small rainfall events, from a single rainstorm. It's a surprisingly effective way to capture and utilize a valuable resource. Even a small system can make a big difference, reducing your reliance on municipal water and conserving precious resources. It's a natural cycle, a continuous process of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Put to work for your garden, providing your plants with the hydration they need to thrive. No need for complicated equipment or extensive plumbing modifications. Just let gravity and rain do the job, working together to provide your garden with a sustainable source of water. Your plants get the water they need directly from the source, free from chemicals and additives, when they need it, ensuring healthy growth and abundant blooms. It's an elegant solution for sustainable gardening, promoting water conservation, and reducing your environmental footprint. Start simple with a single rain barrel and a basic diverter kit. You can always expand later, adding more barrels as your needs and collection capacity increase. Rainwater harvesting fits any garden size, from small urban balconies to sprawling suburban landscapes. Make your garden thrive, rain or shine, with the help of a simple and effective rainwater harvesting system. Building a rainwater harvesting system for your garden or property is not only budget-friendly, but also surprisingly accessible to almost anyone. It's a fantastic way to conserve water and reduce your environmental footprint without breaking the bank. Many of the necessary materials can be found cheaply at your local hardware store, or creatively repurposed from items you might already have around your home and garden. Think outside the box. The core of your system will be a collection container. Start with a food-grade barrel to ensure the water is safe for your plants. Aim for a size that suits your needs. 50 to 60 gallons is often ideal for a small to medium-sized garden, providing a good balance between capacity and manageability. Next, you'll need to add a downspout diverter kit. This clever device intercepts rainwater flowing through your gutter system. A mesh screen is essential for keeping out leaves, twigs, and other debris that could contaminate your collected water. And of course, you'll need a spigot to easily access the collected water when you need it. Use an overflow hose to manage excess water during heavy rainfall, carefully directing it away from your home's foundation to prevent any potential water damage. Elevate your barrel to create water pressure for easier watering. You can achieve this elevation with concrete blocks or a sturdy wooden platform, ensuring stability and proper drainage. Remember, using food-grade barrels is crucial to ensure you have clean, non-toxic water that's safe for irrigating your plants and garden. When selecting a diverter, take careful measurements to ensure it fits your downspout correctly, creating a secure and efficient connection. Don't underestimate the importance of a good mesh screen. It's your first line of defense against debris and even pesky mosquitoes that might try to breed in your water. While plastic spigots are cheaper, brass spigots are a worthwhile investment, as they last significantly longer and are less prone to cracking or leaking. The good news is that most of these essential supplies are readily available at your local hardware stores, making it a convenient one-stop shop. Or, if you prefer the convenience of online shopping, you can find a wide selection of rainwater harvesting supplies with just a few clicks. Keep an eye on local classifieds and online marketplaces. You might just find someone selling used barrels at a bargain price. Don't forget to check with local farms and food distributors. They often sell food-grade barrels that they no longer need, offering a sustainable and cost-effective option. Don't hesitate to ask around your community. You might be surprised at the resources and materials people are willing to share or donate. Remember, resourcefulness and creativity are all part of the DIY fun, so embrace the challenge and enjoy the process. You absolutely don't need a big investment or fancy equipment to get started with rainwater harvesting. A little ingenuity can go a long way. So gather your materials, organize your workspace, and get ready to embark on this rewarding DIY project. It's an affordable, effective, and incredibly rewarding way to contribute to a more sustainable future, one rain barrel at a time. With a little effort and creativity, anyone can do it and enjoy the benefits of harvesting rainwater. Let's build your rainwater system, safely and simply. Gather your tools: gloves, drill, saw, screwdriver, level, and measuring tape. Clean your barrel thoroughly. Install the spigot near the bottom. Seal it to prevent leaks. Add the overflow fitting and attach a hose to direct water away. Place your barrel on a sturdy level base near a downspout. Elevate it at least a foot for better water pressure. Use a level to ensure stability. Measure and mark the downspout for your diverter. Cut the downspout if needed, and install the diverter. Connect the diverter to your barrel with the provided hose. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. Double check for leaks. Follow your diverter kit's instructions for best results. Take your time and enjoy the process. Your system is ready to collect rain. Simple steps, big impact. Placement is key. Put your barrel under a downspout that drains a large roof area. Elevate the barrel for better water pressure and easier use. Use a gutter guard to catch large debris before it enters the barrel. Add a fine mesh screen to block smaller debris and mosquitoes. Opaque barrels prevent algae growth. Paint light barrels a dark color if needed. Always keep a secure lid on your barrel for safety and cleanliness. Store water out of direct sunlight when possible. Proper filters and covers keep your water fresh. Safe storage means healthy plants and a trouble-free system. Simple precautions make a big difference. Your rainwater stays clean and ready for use. Smart placement and storage are the secrets to success. The simplest way to use your rainwater: fill a watering can from the spigot and water your plants directly. For larger gardens, connect a soaker hose to the barrel for slow, efficient watering. Elevate the barrel for enough pressure. Short hoses work best with gravity-fed systems. Water flows best when the barrel is full and higher than your garden beds. If your garden is uphill, stick to watering cans or use a small pump. Rainwater lets you target thirsty plants and avoid waste. Deep root watering makes plants stronger and more drought-resistant. Efficient, direct, and rewarding. Your plants will thrive with every drop. Keep your system running smoothly with simple maintenance. Clean gutters and debris screens regularly. Empty and rinse your barrel once a year to remove sediment. If the spigot clogs, flush it or clear with wire. Ensure the overflow hose directs water away from your foundation. Tighten leaky fittings or reseal as needed. Keep all openings covered with mesh to block mosquitoes. Prevention is key. Regular checks keep your water clean. A little care goes a long way. You'll see greener, healthier plants within weeks of using rainwater. Enjoy lower water bills and the pride of self-sufficiency. Rainwater improves soil and plant health over time. You're building a resilient, sustainable garden. Every drop you collect is a win for you and the planet. Setting up a rainwater harvester is empowering and rewarding. Start small. One barrel makes a difference. Share your success and inspire others. Together we can make our gardens thrive and our world greener. Ready to get started? Happy harvesting!